How do you save the favorites on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you stay tuned and never miss anything important. So there are like different favorite things which you can save in that kind of folder. It's not like one thing for all different file types, but for example, you have the Photos app where you can open up the pictures and videos in full screen, and next to it somewhere, usually in the top left corner, we have the heart icon. So that is the button you need to click to add that particular photo or video to your favorites folder. That is going to be found in the Collections tab when you go to the Utilities folder or menu, and there is going to be the Favorites folder. So that is how it works. That's how you can add photos or videos to the favorites. Outside of that, there are more things. Naturally, you can open up the contacts and browse individual people, tap, on their name to browse their information. And again, you can add it to the favorites, which is going to appear inside of the app on your the phone app, right? Which you should be able to access. And there you're gonna be able to see the favorites, right? So that's yet another place, and it just keeps on going like that, right? You have like your favorite websites, which you can just mark or save to favorites on the Safari. So you're gonna go there, open up the web page, tap the button next to the URL. For more things, tap the three dots, and you can see you can add it to the favorites. These can be accessed when you go to the bookmarks, or usually people keep it on their open new tab within Safari for quick access. So as you can tell, there are plenty of different ways how you can favorite your things, and I could keep on going. Obviously you can favorite your books and save them in a different folder and so on, but I'm just showing you the general blueprint behind it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work or find what you needed. Hit the thumbs up for more tutorials and subscribe so you don't miss them. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.